This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making honey garlic chicken with vegetables. I have here 800 grams of bone-in chicken thighs. You can use drumsticks instead, but make sure they are bone-in. Meat with bones give a much better flavor. Pat dry your chicken. The drier the chicken, the less splatter there will be when we are frying them. Sprinkle the chicken with salt, black pepper, and a tablespoon of corn flour. Give this a good mix to make sure that every part of the chicken is coated. Then set it aside. For the vegetables, peel, and cut up some potatoes into cubes. Then roll cut the carrots. Slice up a medium onion. Lastly, roughly chop up 5 cloves of garlic. In a hot pan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Then 40 grams of butter. Do not use the butter without the oil, because butter burns very easily. When the oil and butter mixture is hot, put in the chicken, skin side down. Make sure that your pan and oil is really hot. Otherwise, your chicken will stick to the pan. You will know when it's ready to flip when the chicken releases easily from the pan. If it's sticking, give it a little more time. If it's not sticking, flip it over and brown the other side as well. You are just trying to brown the outside of the chicken and not cook it all the way through. So, when it's brown on both sides, remove it. Add in the carrots and potatoes. Fry all these till the potatoes are brown around the edges. Next, add in the aromatics. That's the onions and the garlic. Fry all this till the onions are softened and they are slightly translucent. Add in 240 ml of water or chicken stock and 120 ml of honey, which I have already mixed in with my stock here. Two tablespoons of light soy sauce, 4 teaspoons of ketchup. Give all this a good stir. Then add the chicken back into the pan. Add in enough water to almost cover the chicken. Bring all this to a boil, then lower your heat to a simmer. Cover and simmer this for about 8 to 10 minutes till the sauce is reduced. If after this time, there is still too much liquid in the pan, continue to boil it uncovered till the sauce is reduced. Taste and adjust for seasoning. This is stir-fry honey garlic chicken with vegetables.